Hi guys, this is another episode of Èfó Ṣọ, and this time I chose Èfó Ṣọkọ or Èfó Ṣọkọ. Èfó Ṣọkọ is moco de pavo in Spanish and plumed cockscomb or Lagos spinach in English. And it's called cockscomb because the flowers, look at the flowers. It looks like a comb of a cock. And this is the plumed one. They're the same species, or just another variation, right? And it's the cousin of tete. So it's an amaranth. That means that the leaf can be eaten as a spinach. And it is sold in African markets as a vegetable. It is a plant of the Odu, Odimeji, but also Okara. And just like tete, right, it is edible, like spinach. And it's very effective for luck, preserving achievements and credibility. It secures achievements in work, love, and also other areas. It works as an emergency plant because it acts against any problem. And so it is sold as a spinach or sold as a vegetable, but also ornamental and also as flower for your bouquet, right? And this plant attracts longevity and keeps its user standing and untouchable. So here again, right, just like tete, tete is also a plant of resistance. When you use tete, you use it for when you are surrounded by enemies or you find yourself in a hostile environment. And this is the same thing. Or similar, right? Because it creates defense and the possibility for those who are unlucky to stand out and to strengthen the ori. So it gives shine, right? It removes fear, it removes cowardice, and brings shine to those who are dull. It brings nobility and highlights the importance of the person. So when you're at work or in a group or a member of something or whatever, and you feel sort of like left out, or people don't see you standing, and they don't see any value in you. And my cats love it too. And don't worry, it's not poisonous. So the purpose of this plant is to fix life in one place to create solid roots. And it helps with disputes at work. So when you're in a group, right, and there's disputes and there's arguments and stuff like that, and you find yourself in the midst of it, you use this plant. It protects against enemies and evil forces that can change destiny. And it can be eaten, like I said, but also as an argentea. It can be eaten as a vegetable to bring balance, luck at work, to earn money, and for money to multiply. And it cleanses negativity, energies that come with money, and can also be used to clean environments. And so, there you have it. Èfó Ṣọkọ.